pulled this Donner out a couple of days ago after I finished the drawing, and I thought, haven't had this out in a while. I actually forgot about it, and I thought, yeah, I've got a Donner around here somewhere. I think I want to try to make this into a Nashville as well. So I took it out and I started playing it. I also started working on these minor scales. Tried to get some of those into my head. I purchased brand new Wilkinson, which I want to try to place in there. I got it cream, so it matches the cream on the humbucker. So this has a Dawnless bridge pickup, which sounds phenomenal. 59 Vanson, which is splittable, and a four-way. So what I want to do is she'll rewire this to a 5. There'll still be a push-pull here, and then there'll be a push-pull here. But this push-pull will be the Gilmore, where you can still get the neck and the bridge together. This one will be for splitting the neck. And that way you'll be able to get the bridge and the neck full humbucker and split humbucker with the Gilmore switch is the intention. And again, similarly with the, neck, middle, split, not split, and then middle and bridge, which would be a brand new position for this guitar. So that's going to require me to see if I can cut this pick guard. I want to keep this red one, it's beautiful. I don't think there is such a combination where you can get a humbucker with a middle pickup on it. So I think I'm going to have to try to do something with this one to cut the hole, to put it in there, and I'm probably going to have to route the body underneath here. I can't remember what it looks like. I'd have to go back and watch my videos. But I don't think there's a hole there, so I think I'm going to probably have to drill that out and route it as well with the templates that I've got. So I'll do the same thing. Try to do the same thing on this one as I did to the Nashville Licks Pro, but keep the humbucker, because this Vanson 59 on this guitar sounds pretty nice, and try to keep everything else pretty much the same. I didn't remember how damn good this thing was. It's been really fun to play it the last couple of days working on these scales. So I this time made myself a drawing as to how it should go. We'll see if that works. And that's what's going to be going on here in December in the background. I'm not sure what will be in the foreground. Can't remember which guitar is coming up next on the channel. I've got stuff scheduled out for a while with the guitars that I have had here through latter part of the summer into the fall, and have worked on them. I showed you a chart not that long ago of what's coming down the pike. Those are the guitars. I just don't know what sequence they're in at the moment. So stay tuned to the channel. More stuff is coming, and mods. I'm going to try to do also some songs, instrumentals, and to work on my scaling stuff to try to improve the improvisation feelings. But anyway, stay tuned for the journey. Appreciate all the support that I've gotten so far. Give me a subscribe, and hang around for the upcoming. Appreciate all your support.